Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen for 25th March 2021. So this analysis is for 25th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for the next day. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay. So, just like Euro JPY or Euro Japanese Yen, okay, market was in beautiful uptrend, okay, and taking support at the 50 moving average, and after that it broke the support and right now trading below the 50 moving average. Same story as Euro Japanese Yen, okay. So what should we do then? As I mentioned in the Euro Japanese Yen, see overall the trend of the market is up, okay. So we should be very careful, okay. We should be very careful. This was the resistance for the market. 50 moving average was the support for the market, and so we should wait for this to act as a resistance for the market now. Okay. So the best point will be to wait for the market to go up. See, market is in oversold zone for quite a long time. Market will eventually go up, and when market will be going up, then just observe and observe and observe. Okay, I know it is very boring to observe the market, but it is the main thing that we do most of the time. Instead of being on trade, it's traders mainly observe. It's boring, I know. Okay, so when market will be going up, just observe where the price goes and when price will be ready to reverse from the market, okay, when price will be reversed, okay, or when the stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone, okay, then just observe the position of the price. uh, Somehow I cannot draw the line. Okay, wait. Let me shift this line. This will be much easier. Actually, whenever I turn on the screen recorder, my laptop gets very dull. Okay, probably I'll have to buy a new system. Anyways, so as I mentioned, okay, as you can see, stochastic RSI is an oversold zone for quite a long time, and yes, eventually market will be going up also. So when market will be going up, just observe the price. Okay, when stochastic RSI will reach the overbought zone, just look at the position of the price. Okay, whether it is getting resistance from the 50 moving average or it is getting resistance from the 150.875. 150.87. Okay, just observe. Okay, just observe. If market gets valid resistance from either 50 MA or this line, can short the market. Okay, but do remember that confirmation is very essential. Confirmation can be in the form of a shooting star, okay, or a big red candle, a bearish engulfing pattern, okay, or whatever. Confirmation is important. Let the market go up when the stochastic RSI or market will be hitting the 50 moving average or 150.87, this level, this level, okay, then you short the market carefully. Just remember to get the confirmation. That's it. So as market was in uptrend, so we need to be very careful shorting the market. Okay, and right now you should not short the market also because it is too late. Okay, so this is the analysis for GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen for today, 25th March. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.